Airmen from the 386th Expeditionary Maintenance and Expeditionary Civil Engineering Squadrons participated in a combined fall protection and confined space exercise. The fall protection scenario simulated a victim who'd fallen from a platform and was suspended in air. Initial rescue attempts and emergency notifications were made by the on-scene personnel.
The attendant and the supervisor made the notifications to necessary emergency sources, allowing for the fire department to respond. In the meantime, they performed CPR and any self-aid buddy care that needed to be done.
The confined space scenario simulated a victim who'd become unconscious from the hazardous fumes of an aircraft's fuel tank. The rescue attempt was similar to the previous fall protection scenario.
Exercise today went extremely well. Everybody met their benchmarks. Safety was followed 100%, and nobody got hurt.
Fall protection and confined space exercises are held twice a year on the Rock to ensure personnel remain proficient and are properly trained to respond in the event of a real emergency. Reporting from Southwest Asia, I'm Staff Sergeant Alina McDowell.